is Unit 2. Unit 2, reading the its change. Okay, children? Its change. Okay. So its change means what? What you are understanding from the title of its change? So here something is being changed, like compared to the past, now present, there is lot of change. Yes? Yeah, in our lives there is lot of change, and physically we change, and also the conditions, the situations, the climate. So all these changes we can see in the nature, okay? And compared to the last, olden days, the science is being not developed, but compared to these days, the science is being so much developed. So let us see, children, let us enter into the story, that is, let us enter into the poem, its change. Here, we will be having different kinds of reasons when we go outside to the office or to the school. Suppose when we doesn't want to go to school, so we will be saying some reason to our parents, and we say that we don't want to go to school. Yes. So maybe the reason might be correct or may not be correct. Yes? Yeah. Let us see, children, here it's change. Here the girl is talking to her mother, and why she doesn't want to go to school, she is explaining the reason. Mom, I don't want to go to school today cause I fear our world is in decay. Cause means it is nothing but conjunction, and it is a short form for because. Okay? So mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. So decay means what here? The world is in destruction, she is telling. And she is telling that I don't want to go to school. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. So rot means what here? The rotten fruit, spoiled fruit, okay? And decayed, okay? So such. I can see only through that rot, and nobody is unable to see. I only have observed that teachers are the main reason of this plot. Teachers are the main cause, okay? She is saying. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's changed, a quantum leap. Quantum leap means sudden, great, important change, they are saying. What the scientists are saying here, cloning pigs and sheep. Cloning pigs and sheep means what? What is meant by cloning? It is producing. They are making new sheep, pigs and sheep. Okay, from the genes, they are taking the genes and they are making the pigs and sheep. Okay, so that is like not a real product, it is unreal. Okay, so they are making, scientists are producing pigs and sheep, they are making. Okay, saying it's changed, a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells. So here the biologists are making stem cells grow. They are making the stem cells to grow. Okay, and saying it's changed the way to go. So this is a change. We have to grow like this, they are saying. And geologists finding cracks in our earth. Geologists are finding cracks in the earth, saying this is a change, predicting this is its birth. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones. They are digging up fossils and bones. Fossils means what? Fossils means that remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rock. So here fossils means so many years after which will remain the whatever the animals or the plants. And saying it's changed, time for clones. Clones means what? Producing an exact copy of an animal. So one animal is there, same exactly another animal they are creating. Okay, archaeologists, they are digging up all these bones and fossils and making a new invention. And yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. So why they are creating all such new creations, and why they are giving lots of work for the kids to learn. So too much to learn for us. Why they are finding a new invention, scientists, biologists, geologists, archaeologists. Why they are finding what? The works which are done by them, the inventions which are found by them, why we need to study? Why they are giving lots of work for us to study. And why teachers are giving us, they are the main part of the plot. They are teaching about all these and giving us lots of work, and it is becoming a burden for us. So why the world is getting like this? So this poem is written by Imma Gori. This poem is written by Imma Gori. Okay. So how beautifully the girl is asking see children. And now let me question, who is the speaker of this poem? You feel like the speaker of the poem is a girl, and a girl maybe of maybe 6th class or 7th class, because she is wearing a bag in the picture. Yes, and she feel like she is having lot of burden on her shoulders. That means she have to study a lot, she is feeling, so she is expressing her feelings. What is the speaker's concern here? The speaker's concern here is learning too much for their age and strength, as scientists are making rapid changes. Okay, scientists are making different changes, but why about all those, why we need to study, why lot of homework is been given to us? That is a question by the girl. Okay, how would you feel if a scientist cloned you? I would feel greatly annoyed if a scientist cloned me. Suppose exactly like me another lady is created, how would you feel? Okay, so that is a question. What is the speaker's concern here? The speaker's concern is learning too much for their age and strength. Okay, yes, scientists are causing me great concern. What is the concern here? Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, biologists are making stem cells to grow, and geologists finding cracks in the earth, and archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones. What does an archaeologist do here? An archaeologist is a scientist who studies the cultures of the past. The archaeologist digs up the fossils and bones. That is their job. And what would you like to be when you grow up? What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to become a doctor, teacher, or engineer, or software? What you want to become? So that is left to you children. So this is a beautiful poem which is written by Imma Gori. It's change. Okay. I hope so children you have understood. Okay. Thank you children.